मेरे मन में दो विषय है। मैंने कहा एक सीक्रेसी, अभी तक तो सीक्रेट रहा है, लेकिन अगर सीक्रेसी में कुछ लूजनेस आई तो फिर तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते, करना ही नहीं चाहिए।
We are not sure what looseness of secrecy PM Modi is talking about, given that someone in his government or he himself leaked this very information to BJP stooge Arnab Goswami. The Modi government has not only betrayed the country but also committed a serious crime under Official Secrets Act. Under this act, the receiver and giver of such information must go to jail. Arnab Goswami's leaked WhatsApp chats reveal not only his unprecedented access to the PM and PMO, but also his greedy and cynical nature. In his conversations with BARC CEO Partho Das Gupta, he is seen celebrating the martyrdom of 40 CRPF jawans. The chats are a serious cause of concern and reflective of this government's debauchery. The BJP government must answer the following questions. Who shared the sensitive secrets about a top military operation with a civilian not authorized to possess such information? Does sharing secret information about military operations not amount to treason? A brazen violation of the Official Secrets Act? Why was the Prime Minister allowing Arnab Goswami such friendly access to himself and the PMO? What was the quid pro quo? How can the President of the BJP so brazenly interfere in policy matters to help a media house gain TRPs at the expense of others? Why was Amit Shah interfering in the functioning of TRAI? Did the meeting between Arnab and Ravi Shankar Prasad, the law minister, have something to do with securing a favorable verdict by influencing the judiciary? In his private conversation, Arnab Goswami believes that economy is ruined but claims that he cannot say this on television. What is this compulsion that does not allow the media to reveal the true picture of the economy? Does the PM and the BJP government have any moral, political, constitutional right to continue in office after such damning revelations?